Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money using a payment link in Wise. So once you're inside the Wise app, guys, simple click on the payment on the lower right hand side. Now here you will find the option that says send via link under the payment tool. It says create and manage link for recipients to claim money. So you can simple tap on that. Then you want to click and create a link. Choose the currency that you want. So for example, I can choose, for example, this check the CZK available. I can select this option. Then you want to go ahead and choose your currency. So how much you want to send from the currency that you select first. So let's say I want to select 50. I can select that and click and done. It will show the recipient. So if you want to send to a specific person with a specific currency, go ahead and choose the recipient currency. I can choose, for example, let's say I wanted to stay to current currency, I can choose that, or I can select from other currencies. There's a bunch of them that you can choose for. Let's keep the current. Now, once you do that, simply go ahead and ensure that you review how much you're going to pay and so forth by simple tapping continue. You will have the whole overview of what it's going to be like. So you can see review your transfer. You can see how much you will pay, how much it's going to charge, the fees, and so forth. And once you're finished, just go ahead and select create payment link, and you will have that payment link created, and you can easily go ahead and share this link with someone. And that's it. Anyone who has that link can easily go ahead and claim this money, and that's all there is to it.